Hey everybody, today's video is going to be a tutorial and a review for the one-step looper. I'm going to start off with the tutorial portion of this video. So your first step for using the one-step looper is to actually put the beads on your head pin or eye pin. Okay, so once you have your beads on your head pin or eye pin, you are going to put the end through the looper, and then on this side here, there is actually a hole. I'll show you that up close in a minute, but you just put your excess metal through that hole there, and then you want to line up that. You want to line up your bead with the little teeth on there, okay? And then you just squeeze on the handles and it cuts this little excess piece off and forms the loop for you. Unfortunately, it does not close it all the way, but it does close it well enough that it is super easy to just take another pair of pliers and close it fully. But there you go, it is super easy. I will show one more time. I'm gonna put the end through the looper and out the hole on that side. Just trying to get a good close-up shot from every angle just so that you can really see what you do there. And then you just squeeze the handle, and just like that, you are done cutting and looping your jewelry. Okay, so now I will get on to the review portion of this video. The first thing I'm going to say is when you buy one of these loopers, you need to make sure what size it is. So you can tell what size it is by the color of the handles. I believe the gray one is the smallest one they offer, which I was really happy with. I got this as a birthday present, so I didn't get to choose what size it was, but I'm super glad that this is the one I ended up getting because it creates the smallest loop, and for the projects I need a smaller loop, so that is something to look out for. Another fun thing I'd like to show you before we get into the video is how to use up your excess metal when you have quite a bit of it. So if you just use one bead on an eye pin, you're gonna have all this metal left. So here's how the bead turned out. And is what you can do with all this excess metal is go to the very end here, just like that, and now you've created a whole new eye pin so that you can get two little segments of your project out of one eye pin, which is really nice because then it cuts the costs and lets you not waste as much of your eye pins. Now, my overall thoughts of the one-step looper is that it's super amazing. I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10 recommend. They are a bit pricey. They're usually around $30, but honestly, I think they're worth it. If I didn't have this product, I honestly don't think I would be making jewelry still, because I hate using the regular pliers to cut and loop jewelry. I always cut it too short or too long, and I always just make a huge mess of it. So getting the one-step looper really helped me to actually continue making jewelry and actually enjoy making jewelry. So I really love it. I think it's a great product. There are a few things here and there where if your excess piece of metal isn't long enough, it won't cut correctly, but it's a super easy fix because it's easy to just cut the excess off with regular pliers and then put it on the looper again and it'll recreate that loop. Or if you have to, you can cut it with regular pliers and then you do have to loop it with the regular pliers, but it is so much easier because it has already been pre-looped and it's already pretty much in that shape, so it's way easier. And that is honestly only when you use use metal that is too short, or sometimes I have some like pretty cheap head pins that sometimes just won't cut, and that's not the fault of the looper, that's just because I have poor quality head pins. But overall, those problems really aren't at fault of the looper. It's a problem with the other products, but overall, I really only have one complaint about it, and it's a very minor one, and it's a very easy fix. So I do highly recommend this product if you make jewelry. I definitely think you should get it. It is 110% worth the money. Also, if you get it at Michael's, you can use a 40% off coupon, so that always helps. I've been using this super frequently. I've made hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pieces of jewelry with it. I've been using it since January, and it is now October. So I haven't had it for a full year yet, but it still works just as good as the day I got it. But even if I had to buy a new one of these every 2 years or something, I still think it would be worth the money, just because it is such a great product. It makes it so much easier to make jewelry, and overall I just really love it because it makes it so much less stressful to make jewelry, because I really like making jewelry as a way to calm down and just relax. But when I had to use regular pliers, it made making jewelry super stressful because I just never got the hang of making loops with regular pliers. So I am super grateful that I got this product because it has completely changed the way that I make jewelry, and it's a great product. I cannot recommend it enough. But that is it for this video. I'm sure you will be seeing this product used a lot in my upcoming videos. And that's the main reason I wanted to put out this video when I did, is because I have a bunch of pre-filmed videos of me making jewelry where I used this, and I want to have the review and tutorial up first so that people can watch the review and tutorial if they are curious after seeing me use it in a different video. But that is the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.